I am gonna be handcuffing myself to Laura for 24 hours straight. Laura, here we go. All right. These are heavy duty handcuffs, by the way, so nothing is breaking these. Colton has the key behind the camera, 8 a.m. on the dot. Tuesday, April 14th. So 8 a.m. on Wednesday, April 15th, we will be let go. Laura?
I'm not ready.
I'm not ready for this.
I'm not ready.
All right, let's do it.
What?
We don't know. I don't know what to do.
What do you want to do?
I don't know. Wow, if we're already so bored that we're trying to play pool at 8 o'clock in the morning when this just started, we got a problem. Now I'm rethinking this. Do I really want to be roasted for my pool game? I feel like I'm going to have to remind you multiple times of this today that this was actually your idea. Oh, God, I just lost.
Did you just lose? Okay, well.
All right, no more pool.
What now?
I feel like we've made better decisions.
Bro.
It's been 12 minutes.
12 minutes?
Yep.
I'm so bored.
So, come here often?
Nope, never. It's gonna be the longest.
This is gonna be so
day
long.
of my life.
It's literally been 17 minutes.
That was only fun.
You wanna go for a run?
No. I'm going to sit here for
24 hours? What are we doing for lunch? Let's go. Okay, come with me.
Where are we here?
I don't know. I just need to walk. I need to go around.
I don't.
It's been 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes. Let's go check the mail. Did we check the mail yesterday? Yes!
You got mail.
It's for me. Oh yeah. Stamps.
Oh, cool.
So it's been probably about 30 minutes right now, and neither of us really know what to do.
I don't know what the to do.
I don't know either.
What do you want to do?
All right, let's go. I gotta pee. Let's see how long it's been. 8:33. And check my emails. Yeah, I gotta poop. I feel like you're like the security guard at a bar. Bro, this is interesting. All right.
He's taking his
Wiping is not gonna be easy, man.
I'm so uncomfortable. I hate my life. Are you wiping?
Yeah.
Is that why you're quiet? You're concentrating so much?
Wow. That was beyond relieving. And yeah, that was certainly an experience. I can't say I've ever done that before.
No!
You're spilling, Laura.
No.
No Barry, all Captain.
Now I need to have a chocolate Mr. Crunch. Bit everywhere.
Yeah, Mr. Crunch? Yeah, it's Laura. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do 24 hours of this. Hasn't even been 1 hour.
No, my life.
Yeah, definitely. 100%. I'll eat poop in a sec. Is this mine? It is 9 a.m. It has been 1 hour since we've started this, and it actually feels like a lifetime.
It's been a long while.
My point exactly. We have 22 hours and 40 minutes. 50 minutes. 49 really. I can't just relax.
So this is our work.
Dude, we gotta go for a walk or something. She's losing her mind.
I am.
Let's go.
Hold on.
This is great.
Ow!
You right?
That was it. We're done. No more catch.
That was fun. Y'all done? No. Oh, it's almost been 2 hours.
I wish we had a TV so bad.
I know. It would be way too much of a pain in the to bring, like, either my or your TV down here.
Colton?
Oh yeah, just to let you know, I have terrible, terrible night terrors.
I wet the bed.
I wet the bed while I'm terrified and screaming.
I throw up in my sleep.
I do too. All right, guys, here is the update for you. It has been 2 hours, as you can see, 10 a.m. Still chained up with this thing.
Only 2 hours?
Only 22 hours to go. We're probably just gonna chill here for a little bit because there's really nothing else to do. But in an hour, we are getting Olive Garden.
Olive Garden.
Grayson, hit us with a little like effect and things like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Dude, I'm so happy I pooped. That's all I keep thinking about.
Pasta. Pasta.
Chicken parmesan.
Are you recording? 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 Breeze, you're gonna have to drive unless Steven lets me drive his car.
No.
Why?
You're driving.
I think I could drive. I
No.
could do it. I could do it.
No.
I could do it.
Not a chance.
I could do
We're
it.
headed to Olive Garden.
Olive Garden!
Why am I sitting in the tight spot?
Okay, ready?
Ready?
What's up, guys? We have a Colton.
That is
Colton
this
right
guy.
here. Thank you very much. Then we have a Steven.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah, you got it.
Steven?
Son, move your...
I'm trying.
Yeah, you guys have a great life, okay?
You too. Success, we are back.
Made it back.
It
safe
is
and sound.
11:34. We got the Olive Garden. Let's go eat. Official check-in, 12:05. In just a
Still
tad
here.
over 4 hours.
We're doing pretty good as a team, I'd say.
Except for the fact that we have 19 hours and 55 minutes left to go. Do you know what time it is? Running time!
Can you not?
It's a strong stream.
And the big t-shirt is me.
Here, just try it anyway. No, 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 no.
This is what life is. Calm down.
I'm so tired.
We're tired, so we're gonna go to the gas station and Steven's gonna let me drive his car.
I never agreed to this.
Yes, you did. We're gonna go get some energy drinks from Dutch Bros because we're falling asleep here.
Careful.
Careful with what?
It's my car. Oh. I'm trying.
Ta-da!
Okay.
There's one hand. How are you gonna open the gate?
Oh.
No, I can't.
You have to.
I can read. Just read.
Ow, ow.
Read.
Lord, I don't think you understand how arms work.
I didn't reach it. Just read. Okay, back to your car.
Oh, 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 God. All right, this isn't too bad, right?
Right.
All right.
I'm so over this.
I'm beyond over this. You have no idea.
This hurts my ear.
Hey,
Hi guys,
how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I've been better.
Oh no,
Yeah.
how'd that happen?
Last night we went to this like quarantine party, and we both blacked out, and then woke up like this, and nobody can find the key. So.
Sounds cool. Oh, we should have made Colton drive.
All part of the experience. We're only a quarter of the way done.
Yeah.
This is crazy. What are you looking for? Ow! Ow! Twice. Sorry, I just need some alone time. Yeah, so she's kind of starting to drive me nuts. I'm happy I could step away for an interview real quick without her. And yeah, hopefully I make it this full 24 hours because, yeah, I don't even know. So deep in her phone. Hey, Laura.
You know what's rude as
Hmm.
that I can't sing. Like, if there was one thing I could do in this world, I would be singing.
I don't even know what to say to that. 3:15, 9:10, 11:12, 1, 2, 7 hours, 15 minutes.
We should give each
I'm
other
hot.
pedicures.
No, let's go inside. Laura has the best end of this stick
Why?
because you get to be handcuffed to me.
Yeah, that sounds amazing.
That's what I'm saying.
Perfect for taking shots. Don't you wish you could be hot like me?
When the rebel hits. Go, 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 go. Jesus.
That's for you. Ugh, I just smelled it. Hold on.
No. Yikes. Oh yeah. Ooh. Yikes, dude. Whew. Ah. Why did that taste worse than normal?
All right. Next activity.
All right, we are letting Colton go to the bathroom so he can count to probably give us to 50.
What's up guys, Fabrice here, about to get in on this hide and seek action. I'm giving them 2 minutes on the stopwatch. It's just starting now. I'm gonna go pee. I'll let you know when I'm going in. Ready or not, here I come. I think I hear them arguing upstairs, possibly. They opened the downstairs door, which was smart. Because now I'm questioning everything. I'm gonna start upstairs though. He's coming, he's coming, he's coming. Can you sit? Maybe Aladdin? Definitely Aladdin.
You could see me through the crack.
How did you know right away?
That's our elbow.
Oh, word. Alright, Febreze caught us pretty quick.
Yeah.
Did not take much time at all.
Easy to find your wide load.
Excuse me? Okay. So now your turn to hide. Timer's on. Giving it 1 minute.
I know exactly where I'm going. I'm hiding in the same spot. Stay in. Right, because I would never expect that twice. Am I right? Am I right?
Here we come. It would have been hilarious if he was just straight up in here immediately.
Here we go. Here we go.
It'll help. What if he went to the same spot? Get out of there, Colton.
Oh, you went to the same spot as us.
You dude. I literally said, what if he went to the same spot? Alright.
3, 2, 1, go. Already? I'm so bad at this.
That was pretty easy.
Okay, wait.
Your eyes are so
Again,
watery.
Again.
This is what we're doing 9 hours later. Bro, it's 5 o'clock.
Oh, no.
Oh no. We've been doing this for 9 hours. That's crazy.
No! You're crazy.
I know. I would take a straight wind up to the kahunas to get out of these handcuffs.
You know what I would do? I would get punched in the bag.
Does that even hurt?
Mm-hmm. You look great. Oh, he's hating me right now. But you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. That was
Are
kind of a lot bigger than the other ones.
Are you okay?
Oh God.
There's literally nothing to do. You know, it'd be fun if we could go bowling. I want to go to Old Town so bad.
It's almost 10 hours later now.
Let's just walk up and down the stairs.
Why would we do that?
Let's take a shot. I'm gonna have to pee. Where at?
I wonder who figured out lines would be good too. So this is the first interactive pee cam that we're gonna take right now. 10 hours in the making. We're actually about to go for a walk because the weather is beautiful. It does. Such a relieving feeling.
It's a long one, Jesus.
We decided, you know, let's get out of the house a little bit. Let's go on a nice family walk.
Oh, my allergies getting back. I gotta go home.
No. We're back. Now we need to figure out what to do for the rest of the dang night.
We're gonna watch the sunset.
I never agreed on this.
Well, I don't care. We are.
You
I
know?
couldn't agree more.
I'm starting to become
Yeah, you
one
know?
with Laura.
Racks on
okay?
racks on
yeah,
racks.
racks on racks.
We can put this
I'm
in the
losing my
microwave.
mind, dude. Surprised you haven't like asked to make a TikTok.
I don't want to make a TikTok. I've been so tired today.
Good.
Let's go watch the sunset. I kind of just like accepted life at this point.
Mm-hmm.
I want to get out of these so bad.
So bad. Like it's still. I'm just like. I think it's just the way that my hand is positioned, where it's just like that pulling, you know, is driving me up the wall. Why would you choose this hand?
Because I can't brush with my left hand.
I'm a scavenge.
Whoa, what now?
I don't know,
What are we
Laura.
doing now? Should we watch a movie?
No.
Movie. Oh my god, it's been literally 12 hours.
It's legitimately been 12 hours
It's
since we
8
started this
PM.
thing. Why don't we play a game?
What game?
I'll FaceTime someone random in my phone, tell them, hey, I gotta go, and then hang up.
How about I FaceTime them?
Fine, but tell them you gotta go.
Okay, but I get to choose who.
Hi.
Hey, I gotta go.
What's up?
Hi.
Why'd you FaceTime me?
I just got this phone number. Had some random contacts in it.
That's where's Steve?
I don't know who Steve is.
What have you done with him? I've changed my mind. Yo.
What's going on?
What's up, dude?
How you guys doing?
We're going absolutely lunatic at this point.
Are you?
It's been
You hate
13
it?
hours, dude.
Is it? Oh my
It's been
god.
13 hours.
13 hours.
So this means you can put it in the microwave?
Yeah. No,
that's recycled. So, Dawson,
Cheers
cheers.
to a new happy couple.
I don't know. I don't think it's been that bad. I'll tell you what's been bad is this handcuff on my wrist. Whoa, chill. How many times have we done this today? I think it's like 10 o'clock at night, which means we've been doing this for 14 hours. And yeah, I'm ready to be done.
Are you
Who is that?
I'm Dawson farted. Help. Ew.
Yeah, that was not me.
I'm never doing anything like this again. Like,
Why? You don't love Steve?
unless it's for money
Yeah,
next
what the
time,
hell?
I'm never doing it. Because,
That's hurtful.
Ugh, put your sock back on. I'm kidding.
All day I've done nothing but accept you for who you are. I take my
Just
sock
like
off.
pictured
and
you like shoving the sock in my mouth. Me and Steven are best friends after this.
Yeah, I
I'm just gonna
feel
hit
like I
him up
know
on,
Laura.
like, when I move out of here, I'm gonna hit him up on the weekends and be like, hey.
No, you're not. Don't do that. It's been
I
a
never
long
thought,
day.
I honestly didn't think that we were gonna actually like go 24 hours like legit doing this. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Boom, boom.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I genuinely think that they're going to cancel all festivals this year. You think October they would let people go? This pandemic sucks. Unbelievable. Never in people who are like 70, 80 years old have never experienced anything like this in their life. And look,
Do
look
they
at,
know what
look at
Coachella
us.
is?
We had to go through this. You know, our kids are gonna be
EDC?
like, "Mom, I'm bored."
Ultra?
Back in 2020,
Bro,
what I went through.
Are you kidding me?
I went
Look
through
what
this.
I
Look what I went through.
Yeah.
I went through this called coronavirus.
Did you?
And yeah, did you?
Did you?
Did you? Did you?
Did you?
Yeah.
Laura,
Yeah.
how you feel about sleeping with Steven?
What?
Tonight.
Oh. Good.
Okay, that's what I expected to
Yeah.
hear. Steven, what's been the best thing that you've experienced being with Laura for the past 24 hours?
Just knowing that she's right across the door when I'm taking a poop. She's just experiencing that with me.
I agree.
Just in general, on a scale of 1 to 10, what would you rate him as far as his looks?
14!
Steven, what do you think about Laura Frazier?
Well, honestly, I've never.
That's been it for the People's Choice. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you guys here in just a moment.
She said, please don't peek, but, you know, watching her pee's not really on the top of my list of things to see these days. I'm going to give you guys a taste of what I'm hearing over here.
Stop that.
Back to you, Studio 5.
It's 12. We have 8 more hours.
No, I know this. Yeah.
Get out of my... Do you want this?
No,
Get out of my face.
I can't, Laura. I'm handcuffed to you.
You stupid?
Things are turning south here.
If you guys love Steven Shapiro and you ever want to be handcuffed to him, don't. Dude, it smells like ligma.
What?
Oh, I need help.
I was like, all right, let me just plug this into the TV. But wait, I can't plug this into the TV because I can't move. All right, guys, it is 2:02 a.m. April 15th. So it's the next day. Still got the handcuffs on. 2:02. Got 6 more hours. Official time check in here is 5:02 a.m. April 15th. Still doing it. Been doing it now for 21 hours. 3 more hours to go. Maybe we're delusional. Alright. Guys, it's 7:45 a.m. April 15th. Okay, she's in a good mood. It's been 23 hours, 45 minutes, and we have 15 minutes, and then we are completely free from this mess. All right, we'll check back in with you at 8 a.m. for the inaugural detachment of these handcuffs. It's been 24 hours.
Take it off me.
24 hours.
Take it off me.
I don't know. I'm thinking I kind of want to stay like this forever because this is great.
Where are the keys?
Thank you. This is kind of like a surreal moment. No, I think I'm going to do me first. Here, you hold this, please. Ready?
You take it off me. Hurry
Hold on.
up.
Hold on just a second. Patience is a virtue. Anymore.
Okay, I'm going.
Where are you going?
To sleep. I'm a free woman.
You look psycho right now. You actually look terrifying.